Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into an exciting tech trend, watching IPTV right on your laptop. Imagine all your favorite shows just a click away. But first, have you heard about 2TV.store? It's the go-to IPTV provider offering some of the best streaming services. Want to know more? Reach out to Nancy, link in description. Let's move on to what you'll need to watch IPTV on laptop. It's surprisingly straightforward. You'll need a reliable internet and a compatible streaming application. Now let's get into the setup. Download your preferred IPTV app and install it. Follow the installation prompts to have it ready for browsing channels. Next, input the IPTV service credentials you'll receive from 2TV.store. This will allow full access to their vast library of streaming options on your device. And there you have it. Your laptop is now a powerful IPTV streaming device. Enjoy shows anywhere, anytime. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.